Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to promote your Amazon affiliate links on your TikTok page. Now let's take a look at some of the examples that people have done when it comes to promoting products from Amazon through their TikTok. So right here I see there is a video that has a lot of views, so it has 6 million views, and let's take a look at how it looks like. So basically in this video, this person shows some products from Amazon, and if we take a look at her profile or their profile, we will be able to see a link written on their bio, and we click on that link. It's going to show us this Linktree page that has the products listed on some of these categories. So this person have Amazon finds USA, Amazon finds Canada, Amazon finds UK, and if we click on, for example, this one's right here, it's going to bring us straight into their Amazon storefront. And if you don't really know how the affiliate works, basically once someone clicked on any of the link that this person's provided and buy the product through this link, the persons who promote this product or the persons who shares the links will get some kind of commission, and they're going to be paid by Amazon. So that is how affiliates works. And in order to be a part of Amazon affiliates, you're going to want to go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and then you want to try to submit or to apply to be a part of Amazon affiliate through this page right here. Now when it comes to trying to enroll or to join the Amazon affiliate program, it's not actually a very hard thing to do, but if you will want to create an Amazon storefront like this, you will have to join in another program that Amazon have, which is some sort of Amazon influencer program, and you will need to fulfill some requirements such as having a minimum of followers, having a very active page, and have some social medias that Amazon thinks will be a good platform for you to share about their products, etc. But if you don't have the Amazon storefront, don't worry, you can still create a Linktree and put the Amazon's affiliate links directly into your Linktree instead of having to create some storefront and bring people into the storefront. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, you're going to want to make sure that your store is eligible to create a link. Once you got that done, you're going to want to, like I said earlier, join in the affiliate program first. And then before we go to the product, I just want to show you some things that could also help bring people to buy that product through your links. When you finally join the affiliate program, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. That's going to show you your earnings overview, total commission, total bounties, clicks, etc. And on the top of your screen, you'll be able to see this promotions tools right here. You'll have the options to see Amazon bounty program, Amazon promo codes, and creator rewards. If you've been in this game for long enough, Amazon will be able to create some promo codes that you can share so that people will get extra discount if they buy through your links. And the codes will show on this page right here. Alright, so if you've already joined the affiliate programs, you're going to want to go to Amazon, and then you'll be able to see a banner or stripe that looks like this. What it does is that every time you open a product, you'll be able to click this get link text, and then this is the link that you will want to share to your page or to your viewers. Now, lesson number one that you will want to pay attention to when you're trying to build up a page for your affiliate program is you will want to find a niche. So it's going to be much easier for you to choose one or two categories instead of just selling some random things. For example, if you want to sell some product focusing on the beauty industry, you can start with maybe skincare or probably makeup. And you wouldn't want to, out of nowhere, add kitchen appliances or gardening tools on your TikTok contents, because it's going to mess the algorithm of TikTok. I believe it's easier for TikTok to boost your content if you're focusing on a niche, so that they will know to which people should they bring your content to. Now let's try and take a look at a product. Let's say I want to sell some jewelry. So I'm going to search for beaded bracelet. So I want it to be like beads accessory or beads jewelry. And I'm just going to scroll and try to find for a product that I felt are interesting. Now when you're trying to take a look for a product to sell, you will want to pay attention to a lot of things. First, you're going to want to take a look on where this product is being shipped, because if it's too far from the country that you will want to sell these products to, it's going to take quite a long time for the product to reach the destination, and that is definitely not a good thing. And you also will want to make sure that the product that you chose actually ships to the countries you want to sell these products to. So here below each product, it shows whether it's going to ship to the country that I am in or not, and that is very helpful. I wouldn't want to sell a product that doesn't ships to the country that I'm aiming at. So let's see. This one's right here, looks pretty good. I'm going to take a look at this product. So it has some variety in it, and the shop itself actually have a bunch of product that I might consider to sell to. So let's say that I want to promote this product on my TikTok page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this get link side stripe right here, copy this link, and then I'm going to paste it into my Linktree. Linktree is one of the easiest platform that you can use. So let's go and type in Linktree, and here I'm going to click on the first one that appears, and I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up free. And then you can choose whether you want to sign up with your email or if you would want to sign up with your Google. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with my Google. Next, you're going to want to customize your Linktree URL just so that it's going to represent you better, or it's going to show your shop in a unique kind of way. So I'm just going to choose this as my Linktree URL and then go ahead and click on continue. Next, you're going to want to choose the category that describes our Linktree better. So let's say that mine is going to be fashions and beauty, and you can also choose your fashions and beauty category, which means that you're going to want to specify your category even more, but this one is optional, so I'm just going to skip it for now. Alright, so this is how our Linktree looks like, and in order to add the link, all we have to do is click on this add links right here, and then paste on your link. Click on add, and now we got the link added into our Linktree. And let's say you want to change this name into other things. For example, let's just name it Amazon Beats for now, and you can add a thumbnail if you want, you can change the layout, etc. But basically it's as easy as that. And you can also see how it looks like in your customers or your visitors point of view by looking at the right side of your screens right here. Once you add all of the links that you want to put here, you can copy this URL right here and put it into your TikTok bio. And that's basically it. That is how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.